Hello and welcome to the tutorial Your Personal Voucher Administration Area. My name is Bianca Stefan and I will accompany you through this tutorial today. As mentioned in the tutorial Important Information for Your Fair Participation, the invitations of your customers is most significant. For this purpose, we offer you unlimited invitation voucher codes as part of your marketing package, so as to enable you to offer your customers free access to Insights X. Make use of this flat rate to offer this special service to your customers. For Insights X, you can manage your vouchers in your personal voucher administration area. In this tutorial, we would like to show you how this area can support your preparations for the fair and your follow-up after the fair. You can find it online in the Online Service Center under My Documents. By clicking on the Voucher Administration Area link, it will send you to your personal administration area. The home page gives you an overview of all of the ticket types that you have been assigned and that you have already ordered additionally. Here you can see how many tickets you have of each type, how many have been redeemed and how many are still available. If the number of available tickets is becoming too low because so many of your customers have already used theirs, you can simply order more in the Online Service Center. The number of tickets you then order will be added to the total column. Clicking on any of these tiles will directly send you to a list of the category you chose. Or you can click on Look up a single ticket to get to the search mask. Before we look at the search mask, here a little note. In case you as an exhibitor have a co-exhibitor, you can view both company details separately. Simply choose in the drop-down box in the right-hand corner which data from which company you wish to look at. Now let's take a closer look at the search mask Look up a single ticket from the home page. By clicking on that, this screen here will open. Each voucher you send out can be traced back to its individual code. The search results will always show the redeemed vouchers first, followed by the remaining available vouchers. Within this search mask, you can search for the respective voucher code, the voucher holder's name or their email address. If you want to do a more general search, you can filter by company or country. Should a customer of yours call and tell you that they've lost their ticket, you can simply click on Email and send them their ticket again. In this screen, you can still decide to switch between main exhibitor or co-exhibitor. You can also filter specifically by ticket type, for example, permanent entry ticket or exhibitor or assembly and dismantling pass. You surely want to know the status of the vouchers you sent out. Using the drop-down arrow, you can find this out. Here you can see who has already redeemed their code. Now you can easily adjust your search accordingly in the search mask or click on the Redeemed Permanent Ticket column back on the home page. Please take into consideration that only the first 100 results will be shown. For a complete list, it is recommended to launch an export. I will come back to talk about the export soon again. Newly added for your comfort this year, we offer you two new icons to the left of the already redeemed codes that will enable you to resend the confirmation email again or print the ticket. That way you can even resend emails to your customers or colleagues in case they lost or forgot their pass or print it out again right then and there. On the left-hand side of the unused codes, you will now find the new icon that will open up the voucher shop to go ahead and redeem that code straight away. However, dear exhibitors, we kindly ask you not to redeem a voucher code on behalf of your customers, as the generation of a customer ticket includes a trade registration that may include customer-specific questions that you do not have the answers to. To generate your own exhibitor or assembly and dismantling passes, however, this icon could come in very handy. Now let's get back to the export. Back on the home page, by clicking on the button Launch Export, you choose what you would like to export. Here you can filter by ticket type, visitor or exhibitor and assembly and dismantling passes, or by all redeemed codes. After you have made your selection, simply click on Add to Exported Files to kick off the export. Now click on Exported Files to open the summary of completed exports. Once the export is done, you will be able to see it here. You can comfortably save the export on your computer to manage the codes and keep track of who was given which code, for example. This way you can easily see which of your customer has already redeemed their voucher. You can then contact your customer for an appointment at the exhibition stand accordingly, or follow up on not yet active customers. After the fair, you can see which of your customers were actually at the Insights X with their ticket to conduct your follow-up. Who has redeemed their code and visited your stand? Who has redeemed their code but did not visit your stand? Call them up and follow up why or why not. I hope this tutorial gave you some helpful first insights and tips on how to use your personal administration area. We will gladly answer any further questions you may have. I wish you every success in planning for your trade fair participation, and I look forward to seeing you at Insights X 2019.